Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to create your own portfolio using Flutter. So watch the complete video and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and start building your own portfolio following this tutorial. So let's start our tutorial. First open the Flutter created folder in Android Studio, then remove the and edit title portfolio. Remove the title of my homepage, remove extra classes, then create a stateful widget, my homepage. In this replace placeholder with scaffold, and in scaffold use a body and add a stack in it. Then remove debug banner. After that add children in stack and use a column. In column use 3 expanded and add 3 containers in it. Copy it and paste 2 times more. Then in container customize decoration and to add colors above override add color top color black 87 and mid color for mid expanded blue color and bottom expanded black 87. Then use them in the respective expanded. So you can see the scratch app, add flex to expanded. It will adjust the size of expands. Then make the first container animated container and add the required items, duration and on end. Then add variable color list that will animate in the top expanded. Use the colors of your own choice. Then go to set state and set the top color to color list index color list dot length. It will use all the colors included in the color list. Then add variable index equal to 0 and use it in set state index plus plus. It will continuously animate the container. To implement the animation, above scaffold use future delayed and set its duration. In it then add a set state and set the top color. Then select the border radius of first expanded and add a child column. In column first use a size box, then add a clip rect for the profile photo. For this use an image asset. I have added some images in assets. To implement this go to PubSpec and make the assets useful. Change its path to assets. Restart the app and go to main dot. Here add the path of profile photo. Now make the clip rect circular and set the width of profile photo. Then make the animated container of width infinity. After clip rect, add a size box of 520. Then use a text. In this write your company name or page name. Customize its style, set its color, font size and font weight. Then add another size box, set its height and add a text for your services. As we provide Unity 3D, Blender, Flutter and some other services, so I have added them. After Unity 3D, Blender, Flutter, we also provide ASO, Android and iOS development services. And if you want our services, you can contact us on LinkedIn, Vector Labs FZE LLC. Set the main axis alignment to center and also the cross axis alignment. Go to second expanded and set its border radius. In it, use a row, then first add an image, set its path, save and see the result. Now customize its size, then add a column to add your text. Now use a size box, separate it from another text. Now go to last one's expanded, first set its border radius, then add a child forward content. Set its main axis alignment to center. First add a row. In this row we will use two items. First one icon and second one text. Here add an icon of link. Set its color and size. Now move it away from the boundary. Or use a size box of width 30. Then use another size box to separate it from the text. Get in touch. Customize its style. Then add another row for our icons. Set its on pressed function empty and use proper icons. First use an image asset and add assets facebook.png. It is too large, make it bit small. Then copy it and paste 6 times more. Now customize for their own functions. In second icon button, add Instagram. In third, add YouTube. In fourth, add LinkedIn. In fifth, add Twitter. Change the color of Twitter from black to white so that it can be visible. Then in second, just use email. And in the last one, GitHub. Change its color from black to blue. Set their main axis alignment to center. Now our user interface is ready, but we have to add some functions in the icons so that when we press them, we can navigate to specific page. For it, go to PubSpec, use UR launcher. Restart the app and go to main dot. Create some final URI for Facebook and paste your page link. Go to Facebook icon button and set its function to launch URL and add Facebook. On pressing the Facebook icon button, it will navigate to our Facebook page. Here we upload our tutorials for Blender, Unity 3D and Flutter. Like and follow this page. Now add functions for all the icon buttons. Copy this final and paste 6 times more. In second one, use Instagram. And in the same way, YouTube, email, Twitter, and GitHub. And then use your own specific page links. And for email, we have to add mail too. Then use them in specific icon buttons. Launch URL, Instagram, then YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, email, and GitHub. Now our portfolio is ready. We will test it either it works or not. First open Facebook, and this is our Facebook page. Then Instagram, where we upload our shorts. Then YouTube, and here are our all tutorials. Like and subscribe this channel to get more such insightful videos immediately. Then go to LinkedIn, Twitter. Also follow this page. Then if you want our services to develop your apps, games, or designs, you can contact us on LinkedIn or Gmail. Here is GitHub page from where you can get the code for all our apps. Open it, copy and paste it in your created folders. Hope so you enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, show your reaction in the comment section. And if you want our services, contact us on LinkedIn, Vector Labs FZE LLC. And you can also copy the course code from GitHub, link given in the description. See you in the next video. Bye bye.